Hello, hello. So real talk, who else has a sabotaging habit that has a negative impact on their life? So for me, it was binge drinking. For the last 10ish years, I was excessively drinking. When I'd go out, it would always revolve around drinking. And I was hiding behind how I was when I was drunk. I wasn't being myself. I wasn't being true to myself, and I realised that I was doing it in a way to cope with past trauma. I didn't want to deal with those feelings, so I would escape through drinking. I didn't feel confident being myself. I thought I had to hide behind this drunk version of me who was completely different to how I am when I'm sober. So I'm hoping today to inspire you to think about what habits in your life just aren't serving you and aren't making you truly happy. And think about how you can replace those habits. For me, I've started going to the gym, going to the sauna, steam room, Pilates and yoga class. I absolutely love it. I'm around really positive and supportive people who have similar goals, and I just feel like so much healthier. My mental health has just skyrocketed. I feel like I'm making time to achieve my goals. Like I've started one-to-one online English teaching to students all over the world, and my dream is to travel. So this job helps me to get closer to my dream of travelling by having a job I can take anywhere. And it's so rewarding. I'm loving doing it. I'm feeling so much more confident.